Right now, in a high-security facility in Suwon, South Korea, Samsung is finalizing a device that isn't just a phone. It's a declaration of war. For years, the smartphone market has felt stagnant. A slightly better camera here, a slightly faster chip there. But as we sit in February 2026, the leaks surrounding the Galaxy S26 Ultra suggest that Samsung is tired of playing it safe. Welcome to the era of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you thought the S25 Ultra was the peak of mobile engineering, you haven't seen anything yet. We are talking about the first smartphone to truly integrate Edge Fusion AI on a hardware level. A camera system that aims to make professional DSLRs look like relics of the past, and a design that finally solves the hand-feel problem that has plagued the Ultra line for half a decade. There are whispers from the supply chain and leaked Geekbench listings that should make every iPhone user take a long, hard look at their upgrade path. From the revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 to the mysterious Magic Flex Pixel display, the S26 Ultra is Samsung's most aggressive play for the US market in history. Why is Samsung rumored to be dropping the price in a world where everything is getting more expensive? Why is the new 200-megapixel sensor being called a low-light monster by internal testers? And most importantly, why should you absolutely not buy a Galaxy S25 Ultra today? We are breaking down the absolute truth, the February 25th release timeline, and the secret specs that Samsung is desperately trying to keep under wraps. The design's slimmer, lighter, and rounder. For the last 3 years, the Ultra has been a brick. It was sharp, it was heavy, and it was a bit of a literal pain in the pocket. But the S26 Ultra is undergoing a massive physical transformation. Leaked renders show that Samsung has finally listened. The S26 Ultra is moving to a slightly more rounded corner profile. Not a circle, but a refined radius that makes the 6.9-inch display actually comfortable to hold for long periods. But the real shocker? The thickness. We are looking at a chassis that has been trimmed down to just 7.9 millimeters. In the US, where big phones are the standard, making a 6.9-inch device feel light is the ultimate engineering challenge. By using a new Grade 5 titanium alloy and a redesigned internal vapor chamber, Samsung has reportedly shed nearly 15 grams of weight. It's thinner, it's lighter, and for the first time, it doesn't feel like you're carrying a piece of industrial equipment. And let's talk about the back. The floating lens design that we've seen for years is being replaced by a sophisticated, pill-shaped camera island. This isn't just for looks, it's a structural necessity to house the massive new sensors while preventing the phone from wobbling on your desk. It's clean, it's modern, and it looks like the future. The display, Magic Flex Pixel and 6000 nits. If there is one area where Samsung never misses, it's the screen. The S26 Ultra is debuting the M14 OLED panel, and the numbers are staggering. We are talking about a peak brightness of 6000 nits. To put that in perspective, that is bright enough to be clearly visible even if you're standing in the middle of a desert at high noon. But the real magic is a feature called Magic Flex Pixel. This is a hardware-level privacy filter. Imagine sitting on a crowded subway in NYC or a flight to LA. With a single toggle in your settings,